Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. It's kind of hot. Starting tomorrow, we're going to have 105. That means bad weather for the east and southeast. Really bad weather. I'm sorry. I've been working really hard. Got sick today. First thing I did was prayers for my friends. And please watch Prepping Patriots channel, and also Palmetto Prepare. They need you guys' help, and please pray for them. Uncle Al's a little sick, and normally I'm dividing my videos into prepping and survival for what's coming up next, because a lot of you guys don't know what I'm talking about and goes over your head. But Uncle Al's sick, and I'm only going to do 800 videos. I have to quit. I'm retired. You guys have all the fun. Right now, the bad thing is, it is not a civil war. It is a communist insurgency. Get that through your little heads. Now, this is for Happy Prepper. Okay? Just $1 or 87 cents. Okay, Jiffy Biscuit Mix. You can buy it, it's fairly cheap. You can make banana nut bread. You can make pancakes and waffles. You can make biscuits. Okay, this is the easiest thing. Instead of buying food in a pouch, learn how to cook. Okay, more likely you're not going to be running in the woods. You're going to be home locked in for 6 or 7 months. So, okay, this has been around since 1930s. I think they say so. Yeah, it says so right here. Okay, and any good store, Walmart has done tons of these. So pick up one, 87 cents. Easy. For $1.30, you got biscuit gravy. Makes 2 cups. It's Pioneer. Been around since 1851. Okay, it shows you even how to make corn chowder out of it. A vegan version of corn chowder. Okay, yield 6 cups, 1 package of this, a can of whole kernel, a can of cream style corn, ½ cup of onions minced, and coconut oil. And you mix everything together. You blend 1 cup of water to this, or the fluids out of the can, or about 1 cup. That's fairly easy. Or it's 1½ cups. I can't read it too good. My eyesight's bad. So buy a package, read the directions. Okay, it's not rocket science, kid. You could add dehydrated meat to this. You could add freeze-dried sausage crumble to this. Not rocket science. Easy. Sorry I went over 3 minutes, but this is for Happy Prepper. Okay? Simple as pie. Try baking biscuits for the first time. Easy. Follow directions. Get a cake pan. Grease the cake. Not cake pan. Get a muffin pan. Grease the muffin pan. Put in each one equal amounts of this, and follow directions. Easy as pie. It's not rocket science, folks. And I'll catch you later.